Musta Ratrat Nation, this is Basketballs.ph at welcome sa ating moto review. Last Saturday ay umattend po tayo ng Makina Moto Expo 2025 at grabe, ang daming mga bagong motor na ilo-launch this 2025, from small displacement to big displacement of scooters, off-road bikes, adventure bikes, naked bikes at sports bike. So tara, umpisahan na natin. Magsimula muna tayo sa booth ng Suzuki Philippines. Meron silang dalawang bagong off-road bikes, the all-new 2025 DRZ4S and DRZ4SM. These motorcycles redefine supermoto performance, built for riders who crave agility and excitement on the street and track. It has a 398cc of displacement, 4-stroke, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, dual overhead cam with 5-speed transmission gear. It has a Suzuki clutch assist system, spoke-style 17-inch front and rear wheels with Dunlop Sports Max tires, inverted shocks, naka-projector lamps, LCD paddle gauge, disc brake front and rear, fuel tank capacity of 8.7 liters, naka-dual ABS and with TCS. And as per Suzuki Philippines, wala pa po itong SRP and waiting pa rin tayo sa mga magiging updates nila. Next is yung booth ng Ducati Philippines. Meron silang 2025 version ng Panigale V2 and Multistrada V2. Color red po yung dalawa. Sobrang astig ang kulay pero halimaw sa makina. Ducati Panigale V2S is a 890cc twin engine. Meron itong 12 horsepower and 93.3 Nm of torque, weighing at 179 kg, naka-inverted shocks at fully all-ins adjustable monoshock. Disc brake harap at likod, 120/70/19 and 170/60/17 with Pirelli Scorpion tires. Meron itong 19 liters gas tank, naka-ABS, merong ride modes, may Ducati traction control, may quick shift. SRP starts at 1.3 million pesos. Next is yung Multistrada V2. Parehas sila na 890cc of displacement with 115.6 horsepower and 92.1 Nm of torque, weighing at 199 kg, naka-inverted shocks and fully all-ins adjustable monoshock. Merong ABS, traction control, wheelie control, engine brake control, quick shift, cruise control, and USB port. SRP starts at 1.3 million pesos. Dito naman tayo sa booth ng Kawasaki Philippines. Meron silang tatlong bagong launch na mga motor ngayon 2025. Bigatin itong tatlong bike na ito dahil sila ay nasa higher displacement. 2025 Kawasaki Versys 1100 SE. Isang adventure scooter, perfect sa touring at mga extreme na ruta. It's a 1099cc, dual overhead cam, inline 4, 16 valves, 4-stroke, liquid-cooled and fuel-injected. Meron itong 133.15 horsepower and 112 Nm of torque. Fuel tank capacity of 21 liters. Disc brake harap at likod. Merong integrated riding modes, corner management function, cruise control, ABS, traction control, USB port, and heated grips. As of now, wala pa po itong price pero i-update po namin kayo. Next, yung 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 1100SX. Napakaangas na sports bike, head turner at napakalakas ng makina. It has a 1099cc, inline 4, 16 valves, 4-stroke, dual overhead cam, 6-speed transmission gear, liquid-cooled and fuel-injected. Meron itong 134.13 horsepower and 113 Nm of torque, weighing at 234 kg, fuel tank capacity of 19 liters. Naka-Brembo front brake, calipers and discs. Features nito, naka-corner management function, naka-anti-lock braking system, power mode selection, integrated riding modes, cruise control, may USB port, OLED lighting at may 4-way adjustable windscreen. SRP starts at 718,000 pesos. Next naman ay yung 2025 Z900 SE. Isang super naked bike na may Street Fighter attitude and premium features. It has a 948cc, 4-stroke, inline 4, 16 valves, dual overhead cam, liquid-cooled and fuel-injected. Meron itong 123.29 horsepower and 98.6 Nm of torque, weighing at 213 kg with fuel tank capacity of 17 liters. Features nito, naka-quick shifter, high-grade all-in suspensions, 5-inch all-digital panel, turn-by-turn navigation, electronic riding support, torque, OLED lighting system at may cruise control. SRP starts at 618,000 pesos. Sunod naman tayo sa booth ng Honda Philippines. Meron silang bagong launch na 2025 ADV 350. Isang adventure scooter na pwede ibiyahe kahit saan, mapaturing man yan o stream na ruta. It's a 330cc, 4 valves, single overhead cam, liquid cooled and fuel injected. Meron itong 29 horsepower and 32 Newton meter of torque, weighing at 188 kilograms with fuel tank capacity of 11.7 liters. Features nito: it has a inverted front shocks and dual coil suspension with sub-tank, naka 5-inch TFT panel, smart key system, OLED lighting system, road sync connectivity, may dual ABS channel, HSTC or Honda Selectable Torque Control, emergency stop signal, and 48 liters large storage compartment. SRP wala pa pong binanggit pero this will be launched soon. Next is 2025 CB1000 Hornet. Based sa cycleworld.com, yung engine po nito ay galing sa 2017 Fireblade engine, kaya hindi din biro ang pagkahalimaw nito. It has a 1000cc liquid cooled dual overhead cam, 4-stroke, 16 valves with 5-inch TFT display, 2-channel ABS, meron itong Honda Selectable Torque Control, merong assist and slipper clutch and road sync connectivity. SRP is at 750,000 pesos. And lastly, yung pinaka main event nila is yung Honda Goldwing 50th Anniversary Edition. Iconic super scooter ni Honda, perfect for touring with advanced technology. It's a 1,833cc, 24 valves, single overhead cam, liquid cooled with 7-speed forward and reverse DCT, weighing at 389 kilograms with fuel tank capacity of 21 liters. Features nito: naka 7-inch TFT display, merong Honda Smart Key System, OLED lighting system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 61 liters top luggage and 60 liters side luggage. Meron siyang airbag, audio system, Honda Selectable Torque Control, and emergency stop signal. Wala pang SRP si Honda Goldwing, abangan na lang po natin sa next na vlog. Punta naman tayo sa booth ng Kymco Philippines. Meron silang nilaunch na tatlong bagong motor: Kymco Dink S, third version ng Dink Perfect pang everyday use. It's a 150cc, 4-stroke, 4 valves, overhead cam, liquid cooled and fuel injected. Meron siyang 15 horsepower and 13.2 Newton meter of torque, weighing at 146 kilograms with fuel tank capacity of 7 liters. Features nito: naka keyless system, full LED lighting, naka dual ABS or anti-lock braking system, at meron ding TCS or traction control system with emergency brake warning. SRP nito is nasa 148,900. Next is yung 2025 AK575 Premium. It's Kymco's flagship model, mas pinalakas na super scooter ng Kymco. Perfect for touring and long ride. It's a 574.2cc, 4-stroke, 8 valves, dual overhead cam, inline twin engine, liquid cooled and fuel injected. Weighing at 239 kilograms with fuel tank capacity of 15 liters. Features nito: may dual power modes, traction control, dual ABS, may cruise control, naka-keyless system, front compartment with USB ports, at iba pa. SRP nito ay nasa 649,000 pesos. Next naman, yung pinakabagong 2025 $150i. Isang napaka-cute, versatile, compact na scooter, pwede sa lahat ng mga first-timer mag-scooter. It's a 150cc, 4-stroke, air-cooled, fuel-injected. Meron itong 11.3 horsepower and 12.8 Newton meter of torque, weighing at 125 kilograms with fuel tank capacity of 8 liters. Features nito: malaking flatboard, may dual seat, napaka-komportable, pwedeng i-adjust yung upuan, pati yung top box at rack pwede rin i-adjust. Merong LCD dashboard, naka-naked handlebar, merong kill switch, dual headlight, may hazard lamp at charging port. SRP nito is nasa 127,800. Next, dito tayo sa booth ng Bristol Philippines. Yung iba dito, na-i-vlog na po natin sa ating motor review. So yung ibang mga motor na lang po ang titignan natin. Dito nagulat po ako, isang Bristol T125 Prime Cab. Kamukhang kamukha ng Honda Cab. Isang retro semi-clutch bike, old school ang datingan, very versatile, perfect sa kahit anong biyahe. It's a 125cc semi-clutch, all LED lighting system, naka LCD panel, naka 17-inch mags and tires, single seater. As of now, wala pang kompletong specs and features. Pati SRP, wala pa po. Pero this will be available soon. Waiting na lang po tayo sa lahat ng mga details. Next is yung Zontes 400M, bagong brand ng motor dito sa bansa pero si Bristol Philippines ang distributor nito. Isang aggressive maxi scooter, expressway legal na halos kasing laki lang ng NMAX. It's a 400cc, 4-valve, single cylinder, single overhead cam, liquid cooled and fuel injected. Weighing at 175 kilograms with fuel tank capacity of 12 liters. Features nito, naka-dual ABS, meron TCS, naka-TFT LED display or LED lighting system, may menu at driving modes. SRP nito ay nasa 328,000 pesos. Para sa mga updates ng ating motor review, please follow us on our Facebook page, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, and YouTube channel, BaseBoys.ph. Please like and share ang ating mga motor reviews para mabigyan natin ng detalyado at kumpletong information ang ating mga moto viewers para makapili sila ng kanilang dream bike. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtangkilik at pagsuporta. Ride safe, Rat Rat Nation!